Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to deploy your Google AI Studio app for free. This is a fantastic way to take your AI-powered application and make it accessible to users without any hosting costs. So let's jump right in and get your app live. First, open your web browser and navigate to a studio.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the Google account that you want associated with this project, as this will determine your access and saved projects. After logging in, direct your attention to the left panel of the interface. Here you'll see several options for navigating Google AI Studio. Click on Build. This section is where all the magic happens. It's your workspace for creating and configuring AI applications from scratch. Now you'll see a prompt box front and center on your screen. This is where you'll describe what you want your app to do. Type in a clear description of your desired application. For example, you might type something like, build a simple chatbot for customer support. The more specific you are with your description, the better Google AI Studio can understand and generate what you're looking for. Once you've typed your description, go ahead and click Build. At this point, Google AI Studio will start processing your request and generating the app preview. This might take a few moments, so be patient while the system works its magic. You'll see the interface processing your input and constructing the basic framework of your application. This is an exciting moment as you watch your idea begin to take shape. Once the generation is complete, you'll see a preview of your app on the screen. Take a moment to review it and make sure it matches what you had in mind. If everything looks good, it's time to download your app. Look toward the upper right corner of the page where you'll find the Download App button. Click on it to start downloading your application files. The download will save as a zip file to your computer's default downloads folder. Now navigate to where the zip file was saved on your computer. Right-click on the downloaded zip file and select Extract All from the context menu. If you're on a Mac, you can simply double-click the zip file to unzip it automatically. This extraction process creates a new folder containing all your app files, including HTML, JavaScript, and any other resources your app needs to function. These files are the building blocks of your application and are now ready to be deployed. And there you have it, you've successfully generated and downloaded your Google AI Studio app with all the necessary files ready for deployment. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.